My topic is social media marketing and detail explain. Let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to connect with your audience to build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. This involves publishing great content on your social media profiles, listening to and engaging your followers, analyzing your results, and running social media advertisements. The major social media platforms, at the moment, are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and Snapchat. There are also a range of social media management tools that help businesses to get the most out of the social media platforms listed above. For example, Buffer is a platform of social media management tools, which can help you achieve success with your social media marketing. Whether you want to build a brand or grow your business, we want to help you succeed. Social media marketing is a powerful way for businesses of all sizes to reach prospects and customers. People discover, learn about, follow, and shop from brands on social media, so if you're not on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, you're missing out. Great marketing on social media can bring remarkable success to your business, creating devoted brand advocates and even driving leads and sales. What social media marketing is, with benefits, stats, and tips. How to build a social media marketing strategy and a plan to carry it out. The 7 best social media marketing platforms and how to use them. Social media marketing is a form of digital marketing that leverages the power of popular social media networks to achieve your marketing and branding goals. But it's not just about creating business accounts and posting when you feel like it. Social media marketing requires an evolving strategy with measurable goals and includes maintaining and optimizing your profiles, posting pictures, videos, stories, and live videos that represent your brand and attract a relevant audience, responding to comments, shares, and likes and monitoring your reputation, following and engaging with followers, customers, and influencers to build a community around your brand. Social media marketing also includes paid social media advertising, where you can pay to have your business appear in front of large volumes of highly targeted users. Enough has already been said about social media, how it reshapes consumer behavior, and how organizations can use it to turn the wheel of fortune in its favor. Despite the massive amount of information on the web, so many businesses struggle to wrap their head around social media marketing and how it works. So, I decided to come up with a comprehensive guide that will simplify social media marketing for those struggling to develop successful marketing strategies. Social media is a network of over 3.5 billion users that just love to share, seek, and create information. As a marketer or business owner, how could you utilize this network in a way that produces great results for your business? Social media channels have rapidly become an inseparable part of business development strategies. You can't overlook the impact of social when it comes to building meaningful connections with consumers. Social media marketing, SMM, is the use of social media websites and social networks to market a company's products and services. But this definition is missing something really important. Let's make it more simple and clear. Social media marketing is the process of creating tailored content for each social media platform to drive engagement and promote your business. Social media marketing is all about connecting with your audience or customers and helping them understand your brand better. It is incredibly beneficial to your business growth. Imagine you're going to meet someone for the first time with an intention to build a good relationship. What should you do to make that person like you instantly because you're not going to get a second chance? Will you succeed if you meet that person and say things that are boring or meaningless? People tend to like you more when you make them happy, no matter how you do that. Just like the offline world, your social media marketing success largely depends on your ability to find and make your target audience happy so that they like your brand and share your stories with others. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms and websites to promote a product or service. Although the terms e-marketing and digital marketing are still dominant in academia, Social media marketing is becoming more popular for both practitioners and researchers. Most social media platforms have built-in data analytics tools, enabling companies to track the progress, success, and engagement of ad campaigns. Companies address a range of stakeholders through social media marketing, including current and potential customers, current and potential employees, journalists, bloggers, and the general public. On a strategic level, social media marketing includes the management of a marketing campaign, governance, setting the scope, for example more active or passive use, and the establishment of a firm's desired social media culture and tone. When using social media marketing, firms can allow customers and internet users to post user-generated content, for example, online comments, product reviews, etc., also known as earned media, rather than use marketer-prepared advertising copy. Social media is a catch-all term for any digital, interactive community. For instance, Twitter is a platform designed to let people share short messages and media links with others. Facebook, meanwhile, is a full-blown social networking site where users share updates, images and videos, join events and groups, and do a variety of other activities. Social media marketing is the use of popular social media platforms to connect with your target audience and market your brand's products and services. Social media marketing is the process of creating content for social media platforms to promote your products and/or services, build community with your target audience, and drive traffic to your business. With new features and platforms emerging every day, social media marketing is constantly evolving. Social media marketing is all about meeting your target audience and customers where they are and as they socially interact with each other and your brand. While social media marketing as a whole is incredibly valuable and beneficial to your business growth, as you will see in the following section, your strategy will differ based on which social networks your audience spends their time on. Social media marketing, SMM, uses social media and social networks, like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, to market products and services, engage with existing customers, and reach new ones. The power of social media marketing comes from the unparalleled capacity of social media in three core marketing areas: connection, interaction, and customer data. Social media marketing has transformed the way businesses are able to influence consumer behavior, from promoting content that drives engagement to extracting personal data that makes messaging resonate with users. Because social media today is so ubiquitous, marketing techniques using these platforms are extremely important for businesses. Social media marketing, SMM, also known as digital marketing and e-marketing, is the use of social media, the platforms on which users build social networks and share information, to build a company's brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. In addition to providing companies with a way to engage with existing customers and reach new ones, social media marketing, SMM, has purpose-built data analytics that allow marketers to track the success of their efforts and identify even more ways to engage. The power of social media marketing, SMM, is driven by the unparalleled capacity of social media in three core marketing areas: connection, interaction, and customer data. Social media marketing first started with publishing. Businesses were sharing their content on social media to generate traffic to their websites and, hopefully, sales. But social media has matured far beyond being just a place to broadcast content. Nowadays, businesses use social media in a myriad of different ways. For example, a business that is concerned about what people are saying about its brand would monitor social media conversations in response to relevant mentions, social media listening and engagement. A business that wants to understand how it's performing on social media would analyze its reach, engagement, and sales on social media with an analytics tool, social media analytics. A business that wants to reach a specific set of audience at scale would run highly targeted social media ads, social media advertising. As a whole, these are often also known as social media management. Humanize your business. Social media enables you to turn your business into an active participant in your market. Your profile, posts, and interactions with users form an approachable persona that your audience can familiarize and connect with and come to trust. Drive traffic. Between the link in your profile, blog post links in your posts, and your ads, social media is a top channel for increasing traffic to your website where you can convert visitors into customers. Plus, social signals are an indirect SEO factor. Generate leads and customers. You can also generate leads and conversions directly on these platforms, through features like Instagram/Facebook Shops, direct messaging, call to action buttons on profiles, and appointment booking capabilities. Increase brand awareness. The visual nature of social media platforms allows you to build your visual identity across vast audiences and improve brand awareness. And better brand awareness means better results with all your campaigns. Build relationships. These platforms open up both direct and indirect lines of communication with your followers through which you can network, gather feedback, hold discussions, and connect directly with individuals. With regard to the benefits above, don't just take our word for it. Let's take a look at some social media marketing statistics that prove its power. The average U.S. adult spends 2.25 hours on social media every day. Over 70% of people who have a positive experience with a business on social media will recommend that business to their networks. Facebook users click on 12 Facebook ads on average every month. 81% of people use Instagram to research products and services. Nearly 80% of Twitter users feel more positive about a business when they get a response to their tweet. 4 out of 5 people on LinkedIn drive business decisions. 46% of TikTok users engage in the app without any other distractions. A successful social media marketing strategy will look different for every business, but here are the things they will all have in common. Knowledge of your audience, what platforms they use, when they go on them and why, what content they like, who else they're following, and more. Brand identity, what is the message you want to convey to your audience? How do you want them to feel when viewing your content? Content strategy, while there is a level of spontaneity on social, you'll need a structured content strategy to be able to have a consistent voice and produce quality content regularly. Analytics, quantifiable insights will inform your strategy, including who you're reaching, the right content to share, the best times to post, and more. Regular activity, social media is a real-time platform. If you want to use it to grow your business, you need to post regularly, stay on top of engagements with your business, engage back, keep up with trends, and maintain accurate profiles. Inbound approach, don't use social media to pitch your business. Focus on adding value through useful and interesting content and building up those around you. This, in turn, will organically promote your business and others will promote it for you. There's nothing worse than facing a cold audience or people who haven't interacted with your brand before. Social media marketing opens up doors to tools and tactics that make it easy to warm up a new audience for your business. Facebook and other social platforms allow you to use content to connect with a potential audience and warm them up. While it's hard to get people's attention, you can easily break through the noise with engaging content. For example, creating an interesting Facebook video ad can drive people to know more about you. If you think social media marketing is all about selling and promoting, rethink. Successful brands connect and engage with their social media audiences to build lasting relationships. For instance, when they share something on a platform, they respond to whoever leaves a comment or question to provide them any assistance they may need. Rather than selling your products or services, you can simply ask your social media followers questions about your products or share something that could make life easier for your audience. This way, you build trust and show them how much you care about their needs and opinions. It's always a must to serve people first before asking them to invest with you. For example, one of our best social media strategies that we use is our Entrepreneur Cooperative Facebook community. We use this Facebook group as a place to talk about life and business, share cool thoughts and strategies, and really just get to know other like-minded people like us. A Facebook group is a great way to use social media to grow a loyal audience of people who will advocate for your business or brand for a lifetime. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn allows companies to generate leads. You can use a mix of paid and organic tactics to boost conversions. Video marketing, paid ad campaigns, giveaways, and email opt-ins are some of the leading strategies to get prospects into your sales funnel. For example, running a giveaway campaign on Facebook can help you boost your list of qualified email addresses. Since everything happens online, SMM is a measurable, quicker, and easier way to build a database of prospects. With increased visibility, your business finds plenty of opportunities for conversion. Compelling content can lead your social media followers to your company's website and turn them into loyal customers. There's a lot to learn from your competitors' social media presence, especially if you have just started exploring social media and lack good marketing ideas. Progressive companies always monitor their competition to see what's working for them and what not. Tracking what your competitors are up to should be a key part of your social media marketing strategy. You can start experimenting with things that are working for your competitors. For example, if paid Facebook ads are generating good results for your competitors, you should try it too. However, you shouldn't copy your competition in a way that could hurt your reputation. Make sure to stand out. If you would like to see what type of Facebook ads your competitors are showing their audience, you can see everything they are doing by visiting Facebook's ad library. The ad library provides advertising transparency by offering a comprehensive, searchable collection of all ads currently running from across Facebook apps and services, including Instagram. Social media marketing is probably the most cost-efficient and diverse way of promoting a business. It doesn't cost anything to create a profile on most social networking sites. In case you want to run a paid campaign to boost your content, the cost is relatively low as compared to other advertising platforms. When done well, your chances of producing greater returns on your investment are higher. If paid advertising is a part of your social media marketing strategy, be sure to start small and work your way up as you become more comfortable. There's always something you can do to improve your digital advertising results. One of the benefits of social media marketing is that it allows you to track your performance and fine-tune your strategy using real-time data. As mentioned earlier, more than 3 billion people use social media around the world. These people have dozens of moments that create billions of signals which include both context and intent. To be more relevant and effective, you need to make sure the context is clear. In other words, you need to understand the psychology of what people do when they use a particular platform. People use different social media channels with a different mindset. What is your audience looking for when they are on Facebook? Does your content on Facebook reflect your audience's needs and interests? Be sure to take into account the context when creating content, and don't interrupt the user experience. Reach people at the right time and with the right message in a way that adds value to their overall experience. Social media is big. It's not as simple as it might look. One can easily get overwhelmed when figuring out a strategy to promote one's business. Nonetheless, creating a successful social media marketing strategy doesn't have to be a painful process. Your strategy is like a plan that covers everything from your goals to actions. The more clear your plan is, the more result-oriented it will be. Plan things in a way that is attainable and measurable. And, once you have a clear plan in place, it is crucial to have all-in-one ecosystem that will run your online business smoothly. We have used a number of online platforms, but we have found that Kartra is the best solution for the average Joe and the experienced online wizard. If you're curious, try their 14-day trial for $1 to see if it is a happy solution for your online empire. However, narrow your list down to only 5 brands that are most closely competing with you on social media. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.